Cepheid. DNA results when and where you need them. A researcher labors to correlate a gene with a fatal disease. Livestock may be infected with foot and mouth disease, and on-site test results are urgently needed. A disease that's infecting grapevines must be identified before it's spread by insect carriers. A surgeon must determine whether a lymph node is cancerous while the patient is still in surgery. A Senate mailroom worker falls ill after handling a suspicious envelope. All these are real scenarios where the detection and analysis of DNA, the universal biological identifier, must be rapid and accurate.
Cepheid was originally founded in order to bring DNA diagnostics or DNA testing to the average person that they could use when and where it's needed.
With the decoding of the human genome and identification of genes that cause infectious diseases and cancer, the benefits of DNA-based testing are now being realized.
Well, DNA is the universal identifier of life. Every living organism has its own unique DNA. And the systems that we build look for that DNA that is unique to that organism and uses that information and the results from that testing in order to identify whether that particular bacteria or organism is present in a sample.
To test for DNA, a skilled technician typically performs a sequence of complex and time-consuming steps that include sample preparation, amplification, and detection. Now, Cepheid has developed a revolutionary new DNA detection technology that puts fast, highly accurate, and affordable DNA testing into the hands of researchers, physicians, and other specialists. Cepheid's Smart Cycler enables point-of-need, real-time DNA amplification and detection from a prepared sample. And the portable Smart Cycler XC provides on-site environmental testing for biowarfare, agriculture, and forensics.
In order to do DNA testing, 3 steps are required. First, you have to separate the DNA from the raw sample. The other 2 steps are amplification and detection. The Smart Cycler product does the amplification and detection, but up till now there's been no technology which automatically does the sample preparation. That has always been the most difficult part of DNA testing.
Representing the next level of DNA detection systems, Cepheid introduces the Gene Expert, for the first time integrating and automating the labor-intensive sample preparation process. With the Gene Expert, a raw sample of complex biological specimen, such as blood, tissue, food, or water, is introduced directly into a self-contained, ready-to-use disposable cartridge. The sample information is entered, and the cartridge is loaded into one of the instrument's 4 bays. The door is pressed closed, and the 30-minute cycle begins. During the process, the other 3 bays remain available, and up to 4 cartridges can be run at once.
The cartridge automatically extracts the DNA, mixes it with the proper reagents to do amplification and detection, and then does the amplification and detection in the Gene Expert instrument.
Utilizing the onboard chemistry contained in the cartridge, a unique rotary valve reaction chamber allows random access to multiple wells, giving the flexibility to support a variety of users and protocols. The sample is separated, washed, lysed, purified, concentrated, sonicated, amplified, and finally detected by the Gene Expert instrument. The steps of sample preparation are fully automated. When the 30-minute cycle is finished, the cartridge is removed and remains closed for disposal.
All of this can be done by an unskilled operator, and you get a result in 30 minutes or less.
Whether it's clinical diagnostics, food quality, industrial and environmental testing, or bioterrorism defense, the Cepheid Gene Expert system gives rapid results at the point of need.
At Cepheid, we are dedicated and committed to revolutionize the way that people analyze infectious diseases. That's what we're all about.
The Smart Cycler and Gene Expert systems. DNA results when and where you need them.